Are you ready to start your own YouTube channel in 2024 and gain subscribers? Here's how you can do it. First, choose a niche that you are passionate about. Whether it's beauty, gaming, or cooking, make sure it's something you love talking about. Next, create a catchy channel name that represents your content. Make sure it's easy to remember and reflects your personality. Now, it's time to create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera and microphone to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on social media platforms to attract more viewers. Finally, be consistent with your uploads to keep your subscribers engaged. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your YouTube channel in 2024.